Look at our sun. It gives us life. But in 5 billion years, it will become our executioner. It will expand into a red giant, boiling our oceans, shredding Earth, and swallowing everything in its path. For decades, scientists believed this was the absolute end, that nothing, absolutely nothing, survives the death of its star. Until now. The James Webb Telescope looked into the deep cosmos and found something that shouldn't exist. A planet that died, but refused to stay dead. Welcome to WD-1856b, the zombie planet. It sat in the direct line of fire when its sun violently collapsed. By all accounts, it should have been vaporized into cosmic dust. Instead, it survived. And what scientists just discovered about its current state changes everything we know about the end of our universe and the ultimate fate of our own home, Earth. So, how did this cosmic ghost survive hell? Let's find out. To understand how miraculous this survival is, we have to look at what happens when a star dies. Located about 1,200 light years away, the star of this system was once just like our sun, but eventually, it ran out of hydrogen fuel. When that happens, a star swells up into a monstrous red giant. During this phase, its outer layers expand by millions of miles. The gravity becomes a chaotic blender, tearing inner planets to shreds and burning them to ash. After this violent expansion, the star sheds its outer layers into space, leaving behind only its dead, super-dense core, a white dwarf. It is no larger than Earth, but it packs the mass of a whole star. The gravity around it is terrifyingly intense. Under normal physics, any planet nearby should have been completely obliterated. But against all odds, there it was. Planet WD-1856b is a gas giant, about 7 times larger than the dead star it orbits. In fact, it's so close that it completes a full orbit every single 36 hours. Think about that. It is orbiting right inside the zone where the star's fiery red giant phase took place. It's like standing in the middle of a massive explosion and coming out without a single scratch. Scientists were baffled. How did a gas giant, which is made of easily burnable volatile gases, survive a stellar furnace? Astrophysicists analyzed data from NASA's TESS and the James Webb Telescope to solve the mystery. And the leading theory is mind-blowing. WD-1856b didn't actually stand its ground during the explosion. Originally, it was likely orbiting far away, in the cold, safe outer edges of the star system. Just like Jupiter or Saturn, when the inner planets were being destroyed, this planet watched from a safe distance. But after the star died and collapsed into a tiny white dwarf, the gravitational balance of the entire system broke. Another planet, or maybe a passing star, gravitationally kicked WD-1856b, throwing it into a wild, inward spiral. It flew straight toward the dead star, settling into the ultra-tight, fast orbit we see today. It became a zombie planet, living in the graveyard of its own solar system. The discovery of WD-1856b isn't just a cool space story. It is a crystal ball showing the future of our own solar system. It proves that while Earth and the inner rocky planets will certainly die when our sun explodes, our outer gas giants, like Jupiter, might just survive. Billions of years from now, alien astronomers might look at our dead sun and find Jupiter still orbiting it, a lonely zombie planet, guarding a dead home. If this cosmic mystery blew your mind, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and comment below. Would you want to see a zombie planet with your own eyes? See you in the next cosmic journey.